man. I'm just recording, doing my First Amendment activity.
Okay.
And this guy came out and got all up in my face, acting crazy. Said I couldn't record. I went inside the post office. I purchased a stamp, so I'm officially there on business. And I'm just practicing my First Amendment rights.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
Officer Inspect 1302.
1302. And you are Miss 1250? Thank you, guys.
I don't care if you record.
Right.
Can you set it down?
No. I can't do that.
Because it could be used as a weapon.
No, it's not, dude. I
just need to pat you down for my safety.
You're being live streamed, so don't act up.
That's fine.
Look it. I got.
Could you put it down?
What?
I don't know. You can.
But wait, is this? Am I being detained?
At this point, yes.
I'm being detained.
Yes.
So they're illegally detaining me for my First Amendment constitutional.
For investigation, we're trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay, is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
Doesn't matter what it is.
So what are you detaining me for?
We don't know exactly what happened in there.
What do you mean you don't know what happened in there? I got everything recorded in here.
Call the post office.
You got a call from the post office for a piece of disturbance.
Dude, I didn't tell nobody nothing. If anybody created a disturbance, he came out. Talk to him here now. He came out and disturbed me. Well, go talk to them, dude. I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm not putting anything down. I'm not doing anything illegal. If you guys detain me, it's unlawfully because you guys cannot articulate. You guys don't have RAS on me. So you guys can't articulate a reasonable suspicion that I've committed a crime. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do.
You can articulate. It depends on what they say.
Go talk to them.
Their statement.
Go talk to them. I've done nothing wrong, man.
Okay, well, until we talk to them, we don't know.
You're being live streamed. You're being seen by quite a few people.
That's fine. It's not the first time.
I know, man. But you see, the problem with today is all this terrorism and everything. Look, man, I don't have nothing on me. I have no weapons. I have no ill intent. I'm not going to use. No, you can't search me, dude. I won't let you. If you want to search me, if you want to search me, you can go ahead. But I'm not going to let you.
That's what I'm asking you.
I'm not going to let you. No. If you do it, you're violating my rights, man. At this point, I invoke my First Amendment, Fourth Amendment, Fifth Amendment rights. Dude, this isn't my first rodeo, bro. Just like you. Okay,
You're not the first guy on
I'm
the
protected.
street
I'm protected by this.
In our faces, so.
I know. I'm protected by this, dude. And let me ask you this: Did you sign an oath to protect my rights? Did you? Did you sign an oath to protect my rights, man?
Yeah.
All right then.
All right. Do you have anything for us?
I don't have anything for you guys.
Nope. You're free to go.
Thank you. Thank you. You guys have a great day, man.
All right.
The post office staff called the police likely out of misunderstanding or discomfort with being filmed. However, discomfort alone is not a valid reason to infringe upon someone's rights. The officer's arrival and subsequent actions were based on this unwarranted call, leading to an unjustified escalation. It is fundamentally wrong for a police officer to approach a man and demand that he put his camera down simply because he is filming from a sidewalk. Also, when law enforcement detained San Joaquin and demanded his identification, they further violated his rights. Filming in a public place does not constitute probable cause, and therefore, the detention and demand for ID were unlawful. This overreach of authority not only disrespects the individual's rights, but undermines the Constitution. San Joaquin is an OG of the auditing community, and it's good to see him in action during his early days of auditing. Let's continue. Welcome back to CT3, Best ID Refusals.
Sir,
Hey, how's it going, man?
GPS, is it a stop, sir? What's your speed?
Speed?
Yes, sir. You have your driver license?
Sure. How fast was I going?
75, sir.
75, ready? Okay.
Yeah. Is there an emergency, sir, or anything like that?
Is that an emergency?
Yeah.
Where?
No, I'm asking you that if you have an emergency or anything like that.
Do I have an emergency?
And vehicle insurance, Mr.
Can you verify with the tag?
With the tag?
Yeah, I have it on my email.
On your email?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let me check. I can check for you.
Okay. If you cannot verify it, I'll.
For the insurance?
Yeah.
Okay. It is insured, right?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. And the kids back here, they're yours, sir?
That's irrelevant to the stop, man.
Give me a chance. I'll be right back.
Alright.
You've never had a Texas driver license or anything?
I don't answer questions, man.
Yeah, but you ever got your Texas driver license?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, give me a chance. I'll be right back.
All right, man.
Mr. Rincon, Estrada Rincon, right?
Yes, sir.
The vehicle is under
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. That's not your middle name or anything like that, right?
No, it's not.
Okay. And do you have your social security number?
Yes, I do.
All right, sir. Could you write it there for me?
What?
The social security?
Oh, no, I don't need to provide that information.
You need to provide that information?
I don't need to provide that information.
Okay. Are you a U.S. citizen?
I don't answer
know
questions now.
Okay.
Is this an immigration checkpoint
resident or anything like that? You're like a resident?
Is it like an immigration checkpoint or?
No, I'm trying to check if
immigration
you have a Texas
stop?
driver license or identification, because you could also, be a resident and stuff like that.
Okay.
So,
Is it an
I'm
immigration
trying to identify
stop?
you because I'm looking at your card here, and that's why I'm inquiring about it.
Okay.
'Cause it is going to be a citation for speeding,
Okay,
sir.
go ahead and issue
So
the citation.
we put as much information on there,
Okay.
so it could identify you. You know what I mean?
Okay.
All right.
Got it.
Give me a chance. I'll be right back. Sir, how old are your kids?
I want to answer
You said
questions.
they're kids, right?
I want to answer questions.
Okay.
That's irrelevant to the stop, man.
No, it's because safety seats are important.
Okay.
For crashes.
Okay.
You might not agree with me, but I'm it's for public safety. So
Okay.
if you get in a crash, kids might be injured.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
All right, sir. The child in the back, she looks too young. Okay.
She looks too young?
Yeah, for a safety. She needs a safety seat.
Okay.
All right. And I know you don't want to identify your child, or if she's your child, okay.
Do they
That's
need
fine.
identification?
So
or-
for that, I'm sorry?
Do they need identification
Who?
the children?
No, well, I was asking you. I wasn't asking for identification.
All right.
So it's going to be a citation also for the child's safety. All right.
Okay.
So if you don't want to tell me the age of the child, you can let the judge know.
Okay.
It's going to be Danny Dominguez here in Webb County. The information is provided there by signing. It's not admission of guilt, but you've been informed of the judge information. You just sign there for me, please.
Where's that? Here?
That's correct. You'll get a copy, don't worry.
Okay.
And your Mexican driver license? You'll be safe, sir.
Thank you.
So let's answer another important question. Are you required to give your social security number to law enforcement officers? Please be aware that you are not required to provide your social security number to police officers during a routine traffic stop. You should be mindful of potential risks associated with disclosing sensitive information to law enforcement officers. Obviously, your social security number is a valuable piece of personal data that can be exploited if they fall into the wrong hands. By exercising caution and discretion during your interaction with police officers, individuals can protect their privacy and safeguard their personal information from unauthorized access or misuse. Also, cops pressuring individuals during a traffic stop to disclose the identity of their children in the back seat can create unnecessary tension and discomfort for the family. Keep in mind, the identity of passengers, including their children, is irrelevant to the purpose of the traffic stop unless there is a specific safety concern or suspicion of criminal activity. Let's continue.
Look at this. Look. You see that camera, so you want to calm down.
You alright?
You all right?
Huh?
You all right?
Yeah, no, didn't even.
I thought you was about to hit the shit out of me.
I was gonna hit you. Did you need something?
Nah, the way you was backing up.
Did you need something?
I thought you was about to hit me.
Did you need something here?
I thought you was about to hit me.
Nowhere near you.
I'm scared as shit right now.
Okay, get up on the sidewalk. Then you ain't gotta worry about it.
You don't tell me what to do.
Jump up on the sidewalk.
You don't tell me what to do.
Do you need something here? Do you need something here?
You came to me. Did you need something here?
That's what I'm asking you. This is a state police barracks.
Do you
I'm asking
need something
if you
here? Get the fuck out of here. What's wrong with you? Look.
Did you need help?
Yeah, what's your name and badge number?
I don't have a badge number.
What's
Sergeant Remy.
Sergeant Raymond?
Yep, Remy. R-E-A.
Remy? Look,
And
you don't
one.
need to know what your name at, Remy.
Yep.
All right, Remy.
Did you need help with something or no?
Do you need help?
I don't, no.
Okay.
No, because this is my barrack here. It's state police.
This is not your barrack. This
Yeah,
is the people's
this is-
barrack.
This is state police. This is where we work. So we're
Okay.
seeing if you needed help.
But this not your barrack
here.
though.
Huh?
This not your barrack.
No, I don't work at this one.
Right.
No.
So you
No.
saying this is my
This is the
barrack
state
like
police
you own it. You saying mine
Okay,
like you
can
own it.
change my words all you want to
You
make it
just
sound
said
better.
it.
I don't care. That's up to you. So
Okay.
do me a favor and head on that side because right there it says you can't come back here.
I'm not driving.
Okay? Don't need to be able to drive or anything. Can't
I'm not
walk back
driving,
here.
sir.
Go ahead and step over on that one.
All right,
Okay?
bet. I'm gonna step on over here.
That's fine. Yep.
Sergeant.
On that side. That's fine. Right? You have ID with you?
Yeah.
Let me have it. Let me see.
Damn.
Let me see it.
Damn. Why you so close to me, dog?
Huh?
Back the
Because
fuck
you're
up.
going to hand me the ID.
I ain't giving you shit. Back the fuck
Do you
up.
have ID?
Back the fuck up.
No.
Please.
No.
Please back the
No.
fuck up.
No, I'm staying right here.
Please.
I've already asked you to move. So move that way. Go that way.
Move out my way.
Go that way.
Move out my way. Excuse me, I'm trying to move.
Okay, go right here. You got plenty of room to move. Plenty of room to walk whichever way you want to walk.
You got herpes? What's that on your lip?
Do you? Don't put it in my face.
Hey, bro, don't
Put
fucking
it in
touch
my-
that.
Now go ahead and walk back over.
Please don't touch me again,
Walk back
sir.
over.
Please don't touch
Walk
me
back
again.
over. Like
Please
I
don't-
asked you the
please-
first time.
Please don't touch me
Like I
again.
asked you the time. Walk back over.
Please
like I asked
don't
you.
touch me again.
Okay, don't put the camera in my face like that.
The
and
camera
that's
was right
fine.
here the whole
The
time.
camera
You
was
walked
up in
up
my
to me,
face.
bitch. You
Please
walked
walk
up to
over.
me.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Get the fuck back. all
Okay.
right? Get the fuck back.
Go ahead and walk. Go
This
ahead and
public
walk
property,
over there.
ain't it?
No, it's
All
not.
right. Get the fuck out of my way. Y'all the
No, that
same.
way. That,
yeah,
on
he
that side of
assaulted
the
me.
parking lot, and you're good.
I'm good
On that
right
side
here.
of the parking lot,
I'm
you're
good
good.
right here. Fuck is wrong with you?
Listen, hold up, man.
Nah, you hold up. This man is assaulting me.
How?
He just touched me.
I don't see it.
in his face.
Give me,
Man, shut the fuck up and suck my dick, bitch.
Hold up.
No, you hold
I'm
up.
Corporal Ash,
Hold
okay?
up.
I'm
Hold up
Corporal
these
Ash.
nuts.
Man,
You
okay,
think you?
please,
I don't
sir,
give a fuck what this is. You think you gonna
Okay.
come out here and put your hands on me?
I just
I need
walked out here,
complaint
obviously.
forms. Go get me complaint forms.
Complaint form?
Yeah,
I can give you the number to headquarters.
I need complaint forms.
Okay. Do you have ID on you?
Yeah, I do. Get it off me.
Okay. Well, look, there's a sign there. Everything behind the building is restricted access. Okay, behind the building. So where this gentleman's standing, you're more than welcome to be up there. But right here is restricted access. If you want to come over here, I'll show you.
Y'all look. I'm standing up. Y'all see, hey, you see the sign right there, right? I'm behind the sign, so I'm right here. Yeah, let's play. Y'all wanna play?
Well, were you guys just in the post office in Centerville?
We was minding our fucking business, big boy.
What the Queen Anne's County said?
They said suck my dick.
Oh, I'm sure they said that.
Yeah. Look at this bald right here. Look at him. Racist, right? Look at him, y'all. They racist as shit. He got this big ass uniform on. What's wrong with him? Al Roker. Look at Al Roker. He got that uniform when he first started working. Big ass. I need a complaint form. This man just assaulted me. Can y'all call the ambulance? My arm is hurting.
You need me to call an
Yeah, please. I need him to check my hand
do
out.
that.
He just hit the shit out of me. Do y'all got body cameras?
Camera's there. And
Okay.
And he did
Oh,
not
that
hit you.
okay.
He did not hit you.
You got that on camera, right? Okay. Yup. You see him come up to me, right? He said I put the camera in his face.
How old are you? Does EMS need to know?
I tell him when they get here. I'm a grown
They need to know
man.
now before I dispatch
I'm not
you.
talking to you. I need an ambulance. My damn shoulder hurting.
Yeah, but how old are you, sir?
It don't matter.
Okay.
He's of age. I can tell you he's over 21.
This man right here just assaulted me, y'all. And then was because I asked him did he have herpes, y'all. This man just assaulted me because I asked him did he have herpes. Look at him, man. He want to laugh about it. Both of these bald bitches, look at him. Rogaine ain't working for him. And he's a sergeant, y'all. This is sergeant just assaulted me because I asked him did he have herpes. He came up into my camera. It's all recorded, y'all.
already passed the sign. You need to step back some. You're past the sign now, so now you're trespassing. Step back about 2 feet and you'll be good to go, okay? First Sergeant John Hickey, Maryland State Police. You need to step back about 2 feet past the sign.
Look, y'all. I'm past the sign.
Thank you.
Bitch, I'm right here.
You don't need to use foul language.
Shut up. Don't tell me what to do, bald.
No one's telling you anything.
Get them bumps off your face.
Okay.
Sergeant.
First Sergeant.
Yeah, first sergeant. Get some first shoes. Beat up ass shoes. That you want to be famous today, first sergeant. That shit don't mean nothing.
I don't know why you guys are here, but I mean you can be.
Yeah,
but you
public
can't go
property,
past the
right?
sign.
I pay your taxes.
I pay my taxes too.
Okay, I pay your
So I
taxes.
pay myself.
Bitch.
I pay myself.
I pay you too,
If
though.
you pass
Look
this
at me,
sign,
I pay you.
You pass this
I
sign, you'll
pay
be
you.
trespassing.
You trespass these nuts. Yeah, I see you ain't talking no more either.
Nothing else to say. We're waiting for the
Yeah.
ambulance to get here. Since
Yeah,
you're hurting so
we
bad.
sure is.
Since you're
Thanks,
hurting,
thanks
we're
for
gonna get you
assaulting
the
me.
ambulance. Yep,
Thanks
we're
for
gonna get you the
assaulting me.
ambulance so you
We
can
got
get
it on
checked
2 cameras.
out. Yep, that way you get checked out. Make sure you're good.
2 cameras.
Not a problem.
He want to lock somebody up for trespassing because they the.
Yep.
Shut up.
You just trying
Shut
to-
up.